Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the continuation of my last video and where we talked about drawing the outline sketch of JK. And if you're new to my channel, you can check out my channel for drawing the process by using a grid technique. But in this video, we will be talking about drawing the realistic eyes of the portrait. As I said that we will be continuing the next process. And now we will start with process. I am using an HB pencil, and at first we will fill the iris of the eye. I have drawn a small circle inside the eye, so we will leave that part as unfilled. It is depicting the light reflection falling in the eyes, and I'm using a 6B pencil to fill the other part of the iris. You can use a darker tone of pencil, that may be a 4B, 6B, an 8B or 10B, but it should be a darker one. I recommend you to use a grade greater than 4B. And now we will sharpen our area near the eyes and fill the inner white part of the eye by using an HB pencil. And make sure that you don't draw a darker areas inside the eye, as it's the inside area which just want to show the shadow falling inside the eye and want to give a realistic look to the eye. And it is needed and important to shade inside the eye by using a lighter tone. And so I have recommend you to do this. Now I will start shading the area near the eye by using a light tone of pencil, which is an HB pencil. I will hold my pencil by lying down, and I want to put a greater pressure on the paper and hold the pencil very light and give a side traces. And now I will use a darker tone of pencil, that is a 2B pencil, to shade the areas where the darker part is present in the face reference. And this is the area below the eye where we often see the darker parts, and we will shade them by using a 2B pencil. And that's the same thing we are repeating, and we don't want to make it harder. Now I will use a tissue paper, a soft tissue paper, to blend these shades. And you can use a makeup brush, but make sure that you don't press harder towards the paper, and tissue paper should be soft. Now, as JK's eyes are monoliths, we will draw a curved line above the eyes and blend them by using a paper stump to give the deeper tones and realistic look to the eyes. And now I will once again detail. In order to provide a detailed look to the eye, I will use a sharp pencil, that is a mechanical pencil, to draw the areas near the eye and the eyelashes at the corner as he is looking at the side. I'm using a darker tone of pencil here, and my mechanical pencil is 2B grade. And I will darken the area below the eye, that is to show the wrinkles. As the natural skin has some wrinkles, we have to use an HB pencil to do so. After completing this area, we will move towards the eyebrows. The eyebrows are the hair, that is the shorter hair above the eyes, so we should draw a smaller hair arising from inside the skin, and we will blend them by using a blending stump. And now we will darken those areas by using a 6B pencil or a 4B pencil. And you should make sure that the nib of the pencil or the tip of the pencil is not too blunt, and it should be sharp while drawing the eyebrows. And the same process we will be repeating with the second eye. At first we will draw a small circle and then fill the iris with the darker pencil, that is a 6B pencil I'm using. You can use a 8B pencil also. And then we will darken the areas around the eye by using a mechanical pencil, and then we will shade the areas near the eye by using an HB pencil and a 2B pencil. After that we will blend those areas and also the inside of the eye by using an HB pencil. And then blend the inner area of the eye by using a blending stump, and then the upper eyelid and the upper eye and the lower eyelid, and we will shade the area near the eye by using an HB pencil. And the same process will be followed again. Then we will blend this time with a tissue paper, and now we will shade by using a 2B pencil near the areas where we need a darker tone. And also I would like to tell you that if you don't know how to draw, you can follow this process with me and also can share the result to me on my Instagram. I will be providing that link of my Instagram in the description, and also the picture or the link about the photograph I have taken as a reference is available in my description. You can download from there and follow my process to draw this. We will meet in the next video where I will be talking about drawing the nose, and until then, thank you and goodbye.